Here's my thoughts on this electric tea kettle. Now, I'm a big tea drinker, and having this kettle has totally changed the game for me. So you simply fill it up and set it on the base. This is a smart kettle, so it has different temps depending on what type of tea you're making. So as you can see, there's a gauge that shows you how much water you have. So you select your temperature and then press start. It takes a few minutes and it is very quiet while heating up. Here's the sound. And it will beep multiple times once it's heated. My favorite feature is the keep warm button. After you've poured your water and made your tea, the kettle will reheat every few minutes so that you can top off your mug with more perfectly temperate water for your next serving. Enjoy.